Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi. Today we are discussing the uses of chlorine and its compounds. So we have various uses to which chlorine is put. Some of them we have mentioned them along the way. For example, when we mentioned that chlorine water has bleaching properties. So in other words, that tells us that chlorine is used in the making of bleaching agents. And the bleaching agents that are made using chlorine, they bleach by oxidation. And bleaching by oxidation is more permanent as compared to bleaching by reduction. So chlorine bleaches by oxidation. So you're saying that chlorine is used in the making of bleaching agents. And of course, which bleach by oxidation. E.g., Jik contains sodium hypochlorite, which is a compound of chlorine. Number two, chlorine, we also saw that when dissolved in water, it forms hydrochloric acid. So in this, we can say that chlorine is used in the manufacture of hydrochloric acid. So during the large-scale manufacture of hydrochloric acid that we shall discuss later, chlorine is used as one of the raw materials. Chlorine is also used in water and sewage treatment. Water and sewage treatment, because it has the ability to kill bacteria and other disease-causing microorganisms. So due to its ability to kill disease-causing microorganisms. Another use, chlorine is used in the making of solvents. We have solvents such as trichloromethane, which are used to dissolve those substances that cannot dissolve in water. So chlorine is used in the making of solvents such as trichloromethane. Chlorine is also used in the making of chemicals that are called chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, that are used as refrigerants in fridges, that are used as refrigerants in fridges. Used also in the making of plastics. E.g., there is a type of plastic called polyvinyl chloride, also known as PVC. So that PVC is made from chlorine. So basically we have seen a number of uses. Making of bleaching agents, because chlorine bleaches by oxidation, such as jig contains sodium hypochlorite. Number 2, manufacture of hydrochloric acid that we shall discuss later. Also, chlorine is used in water and sewage treatment because it has the ability to kill disease-causing microorganisms. The making of solvents such as trichloromethane, making of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, that are used as refrigerants in fridges. And also we are saying that making of plastics such as polyvinyl chloride. We can also say that sodium chloride, which is also a compound of chlorine, is used. In fact, we can change it a bit. Let's call it iodized. Iodized sodium chloride is used as a food additive. So this is the common salt that we eat. It also contains chlorine because it's basically iodized sodium chloride. So those are some of the uses of chlorine and its compounds.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.